The United States Air Force is embarking on a transformative leap in military aviation with the Boeing F-47, America's first sixth-generation fighter aircraft. This cutting-edge project, emerging from the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program, aims to succeed the F-22 Raptor and maintain U.S. air superiority in increasingly contested airspace. The program represents a significant investment in future combat capabilities, with experimental aircraft already conducting secret test flights since 2020. The development path has been marked by both technological breakthroughs and fiscal challenges. In May 2024, the program faced a critical moment when projected costs escalated to 3 times that of an F-35 Lightning II, prompting Air Force Secretary to pause development for a comprehensive review. This evaluation proved crucial, as military leaders concluded that NGAD was indispensable for maintaining air superiority against advancing threats, particularly from peer competitors like China. Major General Joseph Kunkel's assessment at the Air and Space Forces Association Warfare Symposium in Colorado was unequivocal. Bluntly, what this study told us, we tried a whole bunch of different options, and there was no more viable option than NGAD to achieve air superiority in this highly contested environment. This sentiment was reinforced by Kenneth Wilsbach of the Air Combat Command, who emphasized the necessity of crewed sixth-generation aircraft to counter Chinese technological advances. The program achieved a major milestone on March 21, 2025, when President Donald Trump announced Boeing as the winner of the $20 billion plus engineering and manufacturing development contract. The aircraft's designation as F-47 carries deep historical significance, paying tribute to both the legendary P-47 fighter of World War II and 1947, the founding year of the U.S. Air Force. This contract represents a crucial lifeline for Boeing's military aviation division, particularly its St. Louis fighter production facility, which has seen substantial investment aimed at returning to profitability. While specific design details remain classified due to security concerns, Air Force officials have outlined several revolutionary capabilities. The F-47 will feature significantly enhanced range, advanced stealth technology, and improved sustainability compared to current fifth-generation fighters. The aircraft is expected to achieve speeds around Mach 2 and incorporate sophisticated drone swarm integration capabilities. According to General David Alvin, the F-47 will be more cost-effective than the F-22, require less manpower and infrastructure for deployment, and be more adaptable to emerging threats. A significant evolution in the program's conception has been the increased role of uncrewed collaborative combat aircraft, CCA. Initially, the penetrating counter-air, PCA component, was envisioned to operate independently, but technological advances have led to plans for the F-47 to work in concert with autonomous support aircraft carrying additional munitions or performing complementary missions. This integration represents a fundamental shift in air combat doctrine. The development timeline has been carefully structured, with the F-47's first flight scheduled for early 2029. This schedule builds upon nearly a decade of research and testing, including valuable data from 2020 X-plane demonstrators that have been flying since 2020. These experimental aircraft have been crucial in validating various design elements and advanced technologies that will be incorporated into the final product. The program's origins can be traced back to 2014, when DARPA launched the Aerospace Innovation Initiative to develop X-plane prototypes for next-generation fighter technologies. Boeing's successful demonstration flights beginning in 2019 laid the groundwork for their eventual selection as the primary contractor. The comprehensive family of systems approach, combining crewed aircraft with autonomous capabilities and advanced technologies, positions the F-47 as a cornerstone of American air power for decades to come. As global competitors advance their own sixth-generation fighter programs, including China's development of the J-36 and J-50, and Russia's Mikoyan PAKDP, the F-47 represents America's response to maintaining air superiority in an increasingly complex battle space. The program's success will be crucial in ensuring U.S. military advantages persist well into the mid-21st century and beyond.